Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate how to analyze monthly sales data, select an appropriate forecasting algorithm, and forecast sales for the next 6 months to support management decision making. The dataset used in demonstration contains monthly sales data from January 2022 to June 2023. Task 1. Examine the data and strategic goals. This kanito siya nga dataset kay nani siya time series dataset because the sales amount are recorded over time on monthly basis. The forecasting target is the sales amount, which is kani kay sila sales amount which we want to predict for future months. Based on the data, we can observe a clear upward trend in sales. For example, sales increased from 120,000 to January 2022 to 170,000 from June 2023. However, there are some limitations. The dataset contains only 12 data points. Only the months January to June. Kani are included. Seasonal patterns. Seasonal patterns cannot be fully identified. Despite this limitation, forecasting this data is useful for management because it helps in budget planning, inventory control, staffing decision, and setting sales targets. So, task 2, select and justify a forecasting algorithm. Next, I evaluated different forecasting algorithms. The first algorithm is moving average, which is simple but does not capture long-term trends effectively. The second algorithm is linear regression, which models the relationship between time and sales and work well with small datasets. Advanced models like ARIMA were also considered, but they require more data and are more complex. For this dataset, ako gipili kay ang linear regression because the data shows a clear upward trend. The dataset is small, the results are easy to interpret, it supports management strategic goals such as budgeting and inventory planning. So, task 3. Design and interpret the forecasting model. So, task 3. To implement the forecasting model, I used linear trend forecasting. Each month was assigned to a numerical index from 1 to 12 representing time using Excel's linear trend line. Forecasting trend line. Linear trend line. Kaya siyang copy ang tanan tapos insert sa scatter with only markers para na naman tayo mga data points. So para makita na tong linear at trend line ta para linear sales amount. So mag-add tag trend line equation maon siya. Tapos para ma-predict po nato ang mga sales sa January sa July to December nga sa mga sales napud tay gibutang nga forecast linear function. I created a regression model to predict future sales based on the historical trends. So mag-add tag another mga data points para ma-predict na to ang mga total sales for the next 6 months. Add sa tag mga data points. 6 ka data points. So 2023. July, August, September, October, November, December. So mao ni sila ang atay pang-predict nga ang total sale, which is ang forecast linear. So predict na to ang mga sales amount nila sa July, August, September, October, November, December. So para ato na siya makuha, magbutang tag function linear, which is natay formula nga gikuan. Forecast linear. Tapos para makuha nato ang total sales nila, natay butang which is ang A, which is kaning column A. Tapos 14, row 14. Tapos next is D, $sign D. D2 to D13. D13. So same sa month index to A2, column A to row 2. Column A to tapos to $30. Once nga kung ni siyang i-enter, dire na makita ang total sales sa July. Boom. Kita na. One in total sales sa July. Para makita po na to sa August, it's either narabot sa inyo, inyo na po na siyang i-type na po balik-balik, or inyo na pwede na po ninyo siya i-drag down. Sani. So morning total sales for the next 6 months sa July, August, September, October, November, December. Kung kaning nga forecast is naga-indicate sa steady increase in sales over the next 6 months. Third, management can use this forecast to increase inventory levels, to meet rising demand, plan higher budget for future months, allocate staffing and operational resources, set realistic sales target. Overall, the forecast suggests that the business is growing consistently, allowing managers to make informed, data-driven decisions. For the forecast sold and this is me. So sa tanan kaning nga video is nagademonstrate ni og analysis of monthly sales data, selection of linear regression as the forecast algorithm, implementation of a sales forecasting model, interpretation of results for strategic decision making. And that's all. Thank you.